Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to arrange a cheese and cracker platter. I'll also show you some ideas for easy entertainment and celebration. Since my camera gave up while I was assembling the cheese platter, I'll just walk you through this assembled plate. To prepare a perfect cheese platter, you need a variety of colors, flavors, textures, and shapes. For example, you have the cubed yellow cheese, the sliced red apples, the green and black olives, the red grapes, the green pickles, and you also have rectangular and circular crackers. I added romaine lettuce for decoration. As you can see, this is quite perfect for entertainment. Next, for the quote-unquote main course, I have finger sandwiches, like cucumber, smoked salmon, chicken salad, and egg salad sandwiches. If you would like to see the recipe for this, you'll find the link in the description below. For dessert, I've baked some chocolate muffins and brownies right out of a packet. But no celebration is complete without chocolate-covered strawberries, and I've made some here as well. If you'd like to see videos on this, press the notification button, as I'll upload them very soon. For drinks, I personally chose sparkling grape juice, but you can choose whatever you want. As you can see, these are very entertaining and celebratory ideas, which give a very professional or gourmet look, even if you're a new cook. If you want to go one step ahead and serve it on a table, line the table with the white tablecloth and place the platters in tiers. I have the appetizers on the bottom, sandwiches in the middle, and the desserts on top, the pinnacle of entertainment. And, of course, you can put the drinks on the side as well. So, that's all there is to it. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you in the next video.